Hey guys, it's Kiki, and today I'm going to be doing a washi tape collection video. The washi tapes I'll be showing you guys will be separated into 9 different categories: solid colors, packs, polka dots, random patterns, glitter, other materials, miscellaneous, plastic tape, and sticky note tape. I have some unique tapes, so make sure to watch the entire video. Anyways, enjoy the haul and let's get right into the video. The first category is solid colors. There are only 4 in this category because most of my solid color washi tapes fall under the next category, packs. But basically, these are the ones that I bought individually, and I just have the blue, green, and pink in the normal size and grey in a thinner one. The next category is packs. Basically, I bought several packs which has 5 to 10 different rolls in each. So altogether, I have 35 rolls of washi tape just from these 4 packs. The 5 pack contains all solid colors that are mostly pink, beige, or brown. One of the 10 packs has all solid colors as well, and they are mainly pastel colored. The other 2 10 packs have a combination of patterned and solid colors. The patterns are mostly simple geometric patterns, and the colors are all beautiful. I got all these from Daiso for only 100 yen each, which equals to about 92 cents in America. And they are also in my Daiso haul, so I'll leave the link up in the cards if you want to check it out after this video. The third category is polka dots. Admittedly, I should have just combined this with the next category, which is random patterns, but for some reason I felt the need to just have one category for polka dots. Anyways, I just have these 3 very simple rolls. I have 2 in the normal size, 1 blue and 1 black. I also have a thicker one which has light blue as the dots. I just think polka dot washi tapes are so adorable, I'm not sure why, but I think the blue polka dot tape is actually one of my all-time favorite washi tapes. The next category is random patterns. These tapes have a geometric sense to it, and the patterns are more consistent. There's not much to say about them except that the gold one I think is very useful in bullet journaling or note-taking, as it fits with almost any color scheme and looks very aesthetic. The 5th category is glitter. Everyone definitely needs a little glitter in their life, so I do have some rolls of glitter tape. I don't really use them for bullet journaling or note-taking and things like that because 1, I use them to decorate other things, and 2, they do not stick too well. If you would like to see me doing a whole video on different ways to use washi tape and sticky notes, let me know down below. The next category is other materials. By this, I'm talking about the more unique materials. At the end of last year, I was fortunate enough to work with In Love Art Shop, and they sent me some items including these 3 tapes. The brown and pink one are the fabric tapes, and they are perfect for scrapbooking as they add some dimension. The other tape, I'm not sure what exactly it is called, but it basically has this beautiful pattern with gold, and I think it looks so aesthetic and elegant. Definitely check their website out, and I have a free 15% off discount code for their website, so check out my 2020 bullet journaling video, which I'll link up above for the code. The 7th category is miscellaneous. These are basically washi tapes with random drawings and doodles on them, which are not geometric. These are honestly so pretty because there is such a wide range of different washi tapes, and the possibilities are endless. Some of these are simple and some have more detail to them. The rose one in the plastic bag is actually a scented washi tape, and it smells like rose. The scent is actually very strong, so it lasts for a long while. You can also get so creative with these washi tapes, and you can find ones that perfectly match your personality. The next category is plastic tape. The reason why I included this in the video is because I have a bunch of these tiny rolls of tape. I've had this for such a long time now, but I think they are so adorable and miniature. The patterns are quite loud and not simple, so it is kind of hard to use for bullet journaling and such, but some of them definitely do work, especially if you're going to do a more specific theme for bullet journaling. The ninth category is sticky note tape. So strictly speaking, these are not washi tapes either, but they are pretty similar. Basically, they are rolls of sticky notes, but they are sticky all the way. The good thing about this is that you can choose the length you want and easily write notes on them, as they are pretty thick and feel like paper. However, I do not recommend them if you are going to use them for washi tape purposes, as they do not stick as well as the other tapes. I really hope you enjoyed this washi tape collection video. Let me know if you want to see a full video on different ways to use washi tape and sticky notes. Definitely give this video a thumbs up, comment below what you would like to see next, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. I definitely do not have a large washi tape collection, however I have much larger collections when it comes to other stationery items, so if you like to see more stationery hauls, I will link a playlist up above. Thank you guys for all the support, and please stay safe. Bye guys, see you next time!